All right, remember when we had banknotes for every dollar and every cent? I mean, I don't know if you remember about the cent part. So Sim and I would have to try to remember the face that belongs on the note presented to us. Eh? I didn't know is that we were going to do.
Google. Okay, Google.
Well, I know. Go on now. So what we're going to do? What
We're going to put up the money and then we're going to say who are on the money. Go on now.
Oh. Okay.
Is that Buster?
I would say so.
So Alexander Bustamante became the first Prime Minister of independent Jamaica in 1962. On October 18, 1969, Bustamante was conferred with the Order of National Hero along with his cousin, Norman Washington Manley. Got it.
He was the Prime Minister? Or he was a Premier? Or was it Norman Manley who was a Premier?
I don't know.
One of them was Premier. Huh? Norman Manley was the Premier. Alex was the first Prime Minister. Yeah, you're right. I know one of them was Premier. They're cousins, by the way.
That's what we just read. That one, Avon. Is that a Sharpe or a Bogle?
Bogle.
Bogle. Sharpe? Bogle.
So Paul Bogle was a Baptist deacon in Stony Gut, a few miles north of Morant Bay, and led a protest march to the Morant Bay courthouse on October 11, 1865. In a violent confrontation with full official forces that followed the march, nearly 500 people were killed, and Bogle was captured and hanged on October 24. October 24?
Oh, that's my birthday, Dardon. Oh.
In recognition of his efforts, the fact that he was hanged, Bogle was conferred with the Order of the National Hero in 1969. On your birthday.
Sorry about that, sir. Okay. We're on the next one.
Bad things happen. Sam Sharpe.
Is he? Apparently it's not Sam Sharpe.
I guess not. Oh, Norman Manley.
Okay, it's a long time we don't use this money, you know.
Yeah.
Norman Washington Manley, born at Roxborough, Manchester, July 4, 1893. Brilliant scholar and athlete and a soldier in the First World War, really. In September 1938, Manley founded the People's National Party and was elected its president annually until his retirement in 1969, 31 years later.
Went to Jamaica College. Went to Champs.
Yeah. Didn't he run like 10 seconds fast at Champs or something?
He was very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, who next? George William Gordon.
He was born to a slave mother and a planter father who was attorney to several sugar estates in Jamaica. George William Gordon was self-educated and a landowner in the parish of St. Thomas. Gordon urged the people to protest against and resist the oppressive and unjust conditions. He was arrested and charged for complicity in what is now called the Morant Bay Rebellion in 1865. He was illegally tried by court-martial and sentenced to death October 23.
44 people are dead on my birthday time. That's so good.
Well, that's my daughter's birthday on October 23.
1860.
So it seemed like all of the national heroes went to jail. I don't think Norman Manley went to jail.
Martyrs.
I know Sir Alex was in jail.
Martyrs for the cause.
Yeah.
Okay. $20 bill was he like a former Bank of Jamaica governor or something? Noel Nethersole.
No, wicked Simpson Maroney.
Nethersole.
Well, I had no idea. I never know. The man named 3 N's. Noel Newton Nethersole.
Triple N. Okay.
There you go.
Whose statue stands tall in front of the BOJ building he was Minister of Finance in the years 1955 to 59. His portrait appeared on the $20 note, which circulated between 76 and 2. Anybody still have one of these?
I have one in my I have a wallet in my pouch thing. I have all of those notes.
What did you say a while ago?
I have a pouch, and there's money in the pouch.
You have a pouch that have a wallet that have money?
It's like a little wallet part in the pouch.
So the pouch is in the wallet or the wallet
is
in the pouch?
No, the wallet is in the pouch.
Okay.
$50 note, no.
Him.
I have no idea.
Who is on that note?
Sam Sharpe.
Oh, was that a guess?
No, Landia, tell me.
Oh.
Sam Sharpe was the main instigator of the 1831 slave rebellion, which began on the Kensington estate in St. James and which was largely instrumental in bringing about the abolition of slavery. Samuel Sharpe was hanged on May 23, 1832. In 1834, the abolition bill was passed by the British Parliament, and in 1838, slavery was abolished. Sharpe had said, "I would rather die upon yonder gallows than live in slavery."
Yonder gallows.
There you go.
All right. Who's next?
100.
Come
Donald
over, you must
Sangster.
know this. Very good. So Donald Sangster was a loyal supporter of Sir Alexander Bustamante, faithful deputy leader of the Jamaica Labour Party from 49 to 67. He attended Monroe College. Did you know that? 21 to 29, where he excelled in academics, participated in cricket, athletics, boxing, and gymnastics. He became Jamaica's second prime minister on February 22, 1967, where he only served 48 days in the position. Wow. Died April 11, 1960.
Reminds me of Pope John Paul I. I think he served 32 days or
He
something.
did?
Which is why Pope John Paul II took the name Pope John Paul, because he
That was the first one never lasted so long.
never last too long at all.
All right. Now we're getting into the money that Nethersole Bell will know, all of them, because this is the kind of money he have.
Like the $100, that's
No.
why they know Donald Sangster.
We're getting into the 1,000 and the 5,000.
Okay then.
Your money that.
So the nanny is the 500. Michael Manley is the 1,000.
I don't have those money.
Shearer is the 5,000.
Told you.
Don't? Eh? Don't?
Yeah, see there?
No,
What
me
me tell
have
you?
no 500.
In his pocket.
Nanny is 500. Because people always say, give me a nanny.
It's
No.
a $5,000. Yeah,
That's
we know nannies.
500 and don't Michael Manley is 1,000? Thank you. We'll say it 4 times. And then we need a $10,000 note.
No.
One on it.
What's the point of
Me want the
$10,000 note? The $5,000 note don't lie.
I'd like to be on a money. I want to be on a money.
You, 1 cent?
You don't mind. Anything.
You know, I remember when I used to buy sweetie at St. George's Girls Primary for 1 cent. Ice mint.
I used to get a shilling for bus fare and lunch money. And I had change.
I don't know, I can't relate to the shilling.
A shilling would be like 10 cents, I think.
Oh, 10 cents.
Yeah. Is
And
it
that
10
used to
cent?
buy you what
10
and
cent
what?
or $10?
Can't be $10.
10 cent. A shilling was like equivalent to, yeah, or 10
I know
cent.
pound, shilling and pence, but I don't know nothing more than. But 1 cent could I buy high cement. And asham. Asham used to
Asham
choke
is
you.
Well,
You-
they show me Asham the other day.
We did show you
We didn't
asham.
know Asham. All right, we soon come for a story.
You have a money? Show me the $5,000. Show me the $5,000 now.
We soon show you, man.
Show me now.
All right, I'm sure.